The first thing that catches your eye is a video of a woman using a spray on her back. But if you look closer at the person assisting her, the hands look like something out of a fever dream, with fingers that seem to melt into each other and look completely malformed. It is a classic sign of low-quality AI generation. And it makes you wonder why a company selling a health product wouldn't just use a real human being for their marketing. This is the world of the magnesium oil spray from the brand known as Sringe, a product that promises to fix your sleep, stop your muscle cramps, and melt away your stress through your skin. People are flocking to these kinds of topical solutions because they are tired of swallowing pills, and they want a natural fix that feels easy and immediate. But when you start digging into the legitimacy of this specific brand, the red flags start popping up like weeds. On the surface, the website has a trust rating of about 72 out of 100. That sounds okay at first, but it is a bit of a gray area. It is labeled as likely safe from a technical standpoint, meaning the site itself might not be a phishing trap. But that is no guarantee that the product actually does what it claims. One of the biggest issues is the complete lack of independent voices. If you go looking for real customer experiences on major third-party review platforms, you find a whole lot of nothing. There is no verified profile for them on the big trust tracking sites, which means you are essentially flying blind. All the glowing testimonials you see are hosted right there on their own page, where the company has total control. They can easily hide the complaints and only show you the 5-star wins. This is a common tactic in the wellness industry, especially for products that exist in a high-risk category. The website also suffers from very low traffic, which suggests it hasn't been around long or isn't building a loyal base of repeat buyers. Then you have the science to consider, which is a bit of a roller coaster. The idea that you can absorb enough magnesium through your pores to truly impact your health is a hotly debated topic. Some researchers say it works. Others say the skin is too good at its job of keeping things out. So even if the bottle arrives and it contains exactly what they say, it might not be the miracle cure the ads suggest. You have to be careful with your expectations here. Without third-party verification, you are essentially taking a gamble on a brand that uses glitched-out AI videos to sell their vision. It is always a good idea to chat with a real doctor before you start a new supplement routine, even if it is just something you rub on your legs. We want to believe in the easy fix, the simple spray that solves our problems, but the reality is often much more complicated. Keep your eyes on the details. Look for the weird hands in the videos. And remember that true transparency shouldn't be this hard to find. It is a strange corner of the internet to navigate, and while there is no hard proof of a scam, there's certainly enough mystery to make you pause and think twice before clicking that buy button. Manage those expectations. Do your own homework. And stay skeptical of anything that feels a little too polished yet lacks a real human paper trail.